Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Rheem hybrid water heater beeping. So it is also called the error A108. So first of all, you need to understand what this A108 error actually means. So it stands for condensate blocked. So here when the heat pump runs, it creates condensation that normally drains through a condensate line. So if the drain becomes blocked, the water back up and then it is going to trigger the A108 alarm. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to look near the bottom of the water heater for the condensate drain tube. So here it is, this one is going to be the condensate drain tube. So this is usually a small plastic tube, something like this, which is connected to the heat pump section. So a clog in this particular line is the most common reason for this particular error. So what you need to do is you need to simply disconnect the drain line if possible and then simply inspect it. If you find any kind of debris or any kind of dirt inside it, you just have to simply remove it, and then you just have to reconnect it. You can also inspect the condensate pan beneath the heat pump section, and if you see any standing water, dry the pan and make sure that the water can drain properly. So uh, after doing this, once the drain line is clear, restore the power to the unit, and the alarm will often clear automatically after the blockage is removed. And if it doesn't, the power cycle the water heater and allow it to restart. So you can try this easy method and see if it is now working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.